guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a footwear haul, more particularly a footwear haul from Ajio. And even in Ajio, I shop from just one brand by the name of Evercupid. Now this is not sponsored. I just found this brand to be very fun and quirky. They had nice colors, nice styles. So I went ahead and I shopped a lot. Now in my last footwear haul, which I would leave a link for you guys up in the eye, I did talk about how I think I was developing a footwear fetish and I cannot afford it. Well, I am glad to let you guys know I have not shopped a designer or a luxury footwear item yet. Which I think it's an achievement. I think it's an achievement. So can we have a round of applause for me? Like, yay me. But yes, I did end up buying 15 pair of heels from this brand, which is a lot. Honestly, like you can take this video as a reference and can pick up one or two pieces if you like. No one needs 15 pieces. I don't need 15 pieces of heels. I don't know why I bought 15 pieces of heels. Moving on from that topic, let's talk about some references. So I am a UK size 5 or an Indian size 38. I do have broad feet, so a lot of things don't fit me super well and I have to size up usually. But with these heels, I didn't have to size up, so that's great. That's yay. And with that, let's get started with this haul. Let's go. Let's start with something nice and basic. I have these multi-strap black heels which would go with anything and everything under the sun. They do have braided detailings to them, so that adds a lot more to the shoe. Now the heels are very low, so they are great for everyday wear. You can just slip into them and go anywhere that your heart desires. Now in that same style, I picked up another gorgeous color, a very gorgeous color. I'm talking about this beautiful sage olivey green color, which is very trendy right now. Now I love olive colors because they are neutral but yet very colorful. So you can wear them with a lot of different outfit options without it being a bland black, white or nude. And just this color, it's so gorgeous. Like I love this color so much. Next up, I have these dual strap reptile texture heels with me. Now these are so beautiful, and because of the reptile texture being nude in color, these are still pretty wearable. The heel height is low and it comes in this beautiful half hexagonal shape, which again just adds a lot more to the heel. We have more dual strap goodness in the house, but this one is slightly different from the previous one because the straps are different and wider than the previous one. So we have a white strap and a transparent strap, which just looks really nice and chic, and the heels are round and transparent and they're not super high, so they're very wearable, they're easy to carry but still have a nice quirky detailing to them. In that same style, I bought this really beautiful blue color, and just by changing the color, the overall look has changed so much. Like this heel looks so different to the white one, but it's still very chic, very trendy. Of course, this is more like a pop-up look, so it might not go with all of the outfits that you own, but this would transform any outfit that you wear. Then I have these nude croc texture heels with me. Now they are higher than the previous ones, so they're great for shorties like me because they add height. The strap is not uniform but it has a curve to them, which is great, and the heels again have a lot of angles to them. These tiny details make a rather boring heel a lot more interesting. And in the same style, I picked up a hot pink variant too. Now, if I'm being honest, I did not expect the hot pink to be this vibrant. Like it looked that vibrant on screen, but I was like, yeah, as if it's going to be that vibrant. But I'm so happy and so stoked that it's as vibrant as I wanted it to be. Now, this is a showstopper piece, so you can definitely pair it up with like really basic dresses, like bland colors, so that this can be like pop of color of your outfit. I really like this. This would make so many outfits more interesting just because of the color that it possesses. I couldn't stop myself from buying another color in this style. Now this time we have this acid neon green, and I cannot get over the color. It's so beautiful. Again, I wasn't expecting it to be this bright. I wanted it to be, but I was just like, you know what? Photographs always lie, but this time I'm so glad it didn't, and these are just stun gun. The next pair of heels are a must grab only because of the color. It's this beautiful sky blue mixed with green and such a beautiful tealish sort of a color. Now this has croc texture all over it and it's very glossy. So it's like PU finish and it's beautiful. The heels again are transparent and round, which I really like. Like I really like these round heels, and they're not super high, so they're easily wearable on everyday basis. We have very basic everyday heels next up. These gorgeous nude heels with braided strap detailings that I really like. The heel height is not too high, like it's a very medium-ish height, and it also has a curve to them, like it has this curvature to them, which again is so cute and so different. But yes, these are wearable with so many different outfit options, and they're so great for people who love to wear heels on a daily basis but want something that's not super high or super low, like something in between. Next up, I have these high on gloss thick strapped heels. Now these are definitely an attention grabber. These would just attract everyone's attention to your feet. I feel like this color is so gorgeous. It's a neon orange color and the heels are slightly higher too. So I think these are more suitable for like night outs or just when you're going out clubbing and all of that. Whenever that happens, that is. But yes, these are like the perfect pop of color for any outfit. Moving on to more neon gorgeousness, I have these babies with me right here. I feel like these are a lot more wearable because of the straps. The straps are transparent and the sole, which has the most neon part, is going to be hidden by your feet anyway. The only neon part that would be exposed out to the world would be the heels. So these are a lot more wearable but still a lot more sassy. I have these multicolored reptile texture heels with me and I am in love, you guys. These are so unique, so different, yet so versatile. Now the basic color is black and because it has multicolored design all over it, it can go with anything under the sun. It would be an attention grabber without even having to use different like neon pops of color or anything. The colors are really subtle, they're not neon, but yes, these are so gorgeous. The heel height is also pretty easy to wear. I love these. I love this. This is going to be my new everyday shoe because they're so beautiful. Next, I have these beautiful multi-strap heels in the matte blush pink color and these are gorgeousness. I love the multi-strap detailings. It just adds a lot of sexiness to the look. The heel height again is pretty wearable. It's a medium heel height, so it's not too low, too high. Just perfect, and it's a beautiful pair of heels. It's just beauty. Let's appreciate the beauty. I cannot wait to wear these out. And again, blush pink is very wearable, very neutral and goes with a lot of different things. And the last pair of heels, I have these new chunky strap heels with reptile texture on the heels. I love these heels because of the nude color. It's just the perfect nude color. It's not too warm, not too pink, not too cool. Just the perfect nude color, and this detailing obviously has my heart. The heel is oval with a slightly flatter side, like one side is slightly flatter. But overall, these are just beautiful. And yes, with that, we finished this footwear haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, guys, a reminder, I'm not trying to say you need so many heels in your life. You truly don't. Buy whatever you need. You don't have to feel pressurized just because I have bought a couple of pair of heels. Alright? And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this again. If you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.